Hey, this is Byron. Good morning. First of all, I gotta do a run around. Hold on 1 second here. Yeah, I'm back. I'm so excited. Today is January 21st. I'm gonna show you so you can see it. Where's that? January 21st, 9:57 a.m. Back. I told you I recommended some stocks yesterday. If you'd have pulled up my video, I'm walking around my house here. Okay, pulled up my video. I said AMAT was going to go up, and I told you GPCR was going to go up. I was right again. I am the best in the world at this. I don't care. I know you want to go with these big companies. Nothing wrong with that. Get your online brokerage account, of course. Get that. I don't care if it's E-Trade. I don't care if it's Ameritrade. I don't care if it's Charles Schwab. I don't care what it is. But you have to like, subscribe, and share my video, because if you want to make money, see, they can give you an entry point. They can let you in their company. They can give you all kind of tools, all kind of AI suggestions, all kind of alerts and things like that. But can they make you money? You gotta take a good look at yourself. If you're not making money, you have to subscribe, like, and share my video, and hit that bell button so my videos can get to you immediately, because all my stocks, now I am like 46 out of 47 towards getting stocks right. And if you follow my 3 rules, the 3 rules is buy low, sell high, don't get greedy, and timing is everything. You will make money on every single time I recommend a stock. I know stock trends better than anybody else in the world. In the world. I'm 99.9% right almost every single time. I am human, and I'm going to get stocks wrong. But look at my previous videos. My YouTube channel is Ed Byron Banks. That's Ed BYRON BANKS 4576. Look at my channels. Look at my last 100 videos, 200 videos, 300 videos. You will see I was right every single time. Now let's look at those 2 stocks that I just recommended yesterday. Let's take a look at them right now. Now the camera's shaking because I'm excited. Look at GPCR. It's up 1.19, which I said yesterday. Look at it. I'm going back and forth. Look at it. And look at the other stock I recommended yesterday. AMAT, up 5.04. I want you to sink in. And look at the stock I recommended 3 days ago, APO. Look at it, 1.83. And not the final one, but the biggest one. Look at the big mother, MU. I recommended for the last 3 months every single day. Look at it. Take a good look. Oh, 22.84. Come on, you had 1,000 shares. That's 22,000. Let me come back to me. I got a couple pictures. I am the best in the world at this. If you want to make money, as simple as that. There's no other way to say it. I am the best in the world when it comes to short-term investment in the New York Stock Exchange in the world. I am 46 out of 43. I gave you my YouTube channel. I proved myself. Look at all my videos to see if I was right or if I'm lying. I am the best. It's at Byron Banks 4576. Look at all my videos for the last year. I am the best. I'm not bragging. I'm very confident. I am human. I know stock trends better than anyone, but I am realistic. I am going to make mistakes because I am human. That's just facts. Because nobody knows when stocks are going to go up. Nobody does. But I'm the best towards getting it right percentage-wise. That's what I'm saying, like that. So you have to subscribe, like, and share my channel, and hit that bell button. Hit that bell button so your videos can get to you immediately. All my stocks went up. Johnson & Johnson, Victoria's Secret, all of them went up. Because I told you the rules of the stock company. The Dow Jones was down 700 points yesterday. I told everybody. People was panicking. People that buy stocks off my recommendation was panicking. I said, don't worry. You have to have patience when it comes to the stock market. You have to. And guess what? Let's look at the Dow Jones today. I was right again on that. The Dow Jones up 470 points. I told everybody it always come back. It always. Look at NASDAQ up 287 points. Look at S&P 500. I told everyone. Now, I don't have all the knowledge in the world towards every part of investment. But when it comes to short-term investing in the New York Stock Exchange, I know it 100%. And short-term Now, long term, that's a different animal. But I know that too. Options trading, I know that too, but that's a different animal. Futures, cryptocurrency, all that stuff, um, uh, every form of investment, there's a lot out there, different ones. But when it comes to short term, making money, getting rich quick, when it comes to the stock exchange, short term, I am the best in the world at that. And I'm going to prove it to you again and again and again. I'm going to show you a video that I made yesterday just to show you what I'm talking about. This is Byron the Stockmaster, like I promised. The Stockmaster. I got 2 stocks for you. The first one is kind of pricey. You can't get that many shares, but I think it's going to go up either tomorrow or Thursday. This is the video I made yesterday. But it counts how many shares you get because it's trading at $318.23. On January 20th, yesterday. 23. The symbol is AMAT, AMAT. A is an apple, M is a Mary, A is an apple, T is a Tom. It's called AMAT Applied Materials. I think that stock is going to go up. Look at the date right there at the bottom. It's hard to find a low price stock, but I just want to give you something where I think you can make money. And I think you can make money on this stock. You might not be able to get too many shares, but you can get some money. Sometimes you can't get a lot, but some is better than nothing. That's good advice. The other one is, let me pull it up right now. Let me type it in. This is a lower price stock, and I'm not too sure on this one, but I think it's going to go up. Okay. Like I said, other stock companies won't do this, but I'm willing to. This is a video I made yesterday. Okay, GPCR. G is in George, P is in Paul, C is in Charles, R is in Robert. It's GPCR, Structure Therapeutics Incorporation. That stock is trading at $91.02. 91.02. That's right. I think that stock is going to go up as well. That's right. But you have to have patience with both of these stocks because we don't know what the president is doing to make the Dow Jones go down and the NASDAQ go down. That's right. But you have to have patience. That's the key. Patience. And once you make money in these stocks, make sure you hit it on my comments and let me know what you made or you made. Don't listen to anyone else. I'm just going to be so happy for you. They're just trying to get your money. My video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Try to share it with everyone and hit that bell button so it can get to you right away, especially because I'm hot right now. 42 out of 43 towards getting stocks correct. Today is January. Oh, let me look at the date. 1 second. Let me turn around here. Aha. It's January 20th, 2026. Remember, Byron Banks said those 2 stocks is going to go up. GPCR, remember I said it, GPCR is going to go up. And AMAT, I had to look at it 1 second, it's over there. AMAT. So good luck making money. Let me know if you did. Don't forget to hit that bell button so my videos can get to you immediately. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video too, okay? I'm trying to make money for you. I'm doing the best I can. I was just going to give you AMAT, but it's kind of high price, so I tried to give you something reasonable. $91 a share. But we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday, the 21st. Yes, I made some interesting points there. Like I said, tomorrow's Wednesday, which is today, and the stock went up. I'm very serious when I say this. There's a lot of companies out there, fancy commercials and things like that with great music, smooth talking, great editing and things like that. They're trying to get you to invest in their system and in their company. They want your money. They're trying to get something from you. That's what you got to take a good look at yourself. I'm the only stock person out there. They're probably the only one that don't want anything. I don't have anything to gain except subscribers. And I want subscribers because I want the whole world to make money off of my know-how when it comes to short-term investing in the New York Stock Exchange. I done found a loophole. Think about what I'm saying. I have found a loophole how to make money in the stock market. Now, I get some people ask me, Byron, you don't have to give me a stock. Just show me your secret. Show me exactly what you do. How do you find these stocks to go up in this short amount of time? I don't know. It's a God-given gift from God. I look at the basic things you look at, like the analyst report, the news, the volume, all this other stuff. I look at all this and I analyze the stock, but it just hits me. It hits me like yesterday. I don't know if I got the sheet of paper. I showed a sheet of paper yesterday. I had like 40 stocks on there. And something told me those 2 stocks that I gave yesterday was the main 2 that was going to make money for you. And I don't know where it came from. It's a gift. I really mean that. But I do have tapes where I'm showing exactly some of the things I look at when it comes to analyzing a stock when I know it's going to go up. But timing is everything. Remember my 3 rules. Timing is everything. Don't listen to anybody else. Listen to what I'm saying. Stay focused here. Because they're not telling you. They want something from you. I'm telling you the truth about the stock market. Timing is everything. Don't get greedy. And buy low, sell high. You have to write that down and put that on your wall. If you do that, like these stocks went up today. If I was you, I would sell them. Now they might go up tomorrow, but you made money. When I come up with another hot stock for you in a couple of days, see, I could come up with a hot stock every day, but it's really time consuming. I really want to study the stock. I don't want to give you a stock that's going to go down. I don't want to rush it. Give me your opinion on this in comments or listen to what I'm saying. I didn't find a loophole. If you do it right, oh, I'm getting into this now. I'm moving my feet. I'm like preaching. I'm preaching now. If you do it right, you will make money in the stock market. But if you do it wrong, I'm just going to do this on the video camera. And you know what that means. When I was young, I started at 20 years old. I lost so much money because I rushed everything. Ooh, Walmart's a good stock. Ooh, Amazon's a good stock. Ooh, I'm just rushing things because I don't want my money to sit there. I want my money to be invested all the time. That's the wrong way to think when it comes to the stock market. I'm giving you logic when it comes to the stock market. You have to listen to what I'm saying. My name is Byron. I'm the only person out there to do what I'm doing. Now, there are going to be people that copy off of what I'm doing. But right now, it's just me. So you have to like, subscribe, and share my video and hit that bell button. That's the most important thing. So my video can get to you immediately. And let's not be selfish here. I'm trying to help you out. Remember, I don't want anything in return. Share this with everyone you know. With your family members, your cousins, everybody. Share my video. Like I said, my YouTube channel is at Byron Banks 4576. At BYRONBANKS 4576. So they can make money too, just like you can. I want to show you one more video to just prove of how good I am when it comes to the stock market. Here we go. I am back. Listen to this. I'm preaching here. With you, and I've been watching a lot of how do I say it? Stock companies commercials. That's exactly what I've been doing, and it gives you a great voice, don't it? They're just trying to sell you. Invest in their company. It gives you great music. It has all kind of editing and things like that. Don't be blinded. That's right. Trust me. Don't be blinded because they're not making money for you. They don't care if you make money or not. They just want you to invest. Take your money and invest in their company. Watch the videos very close. That's right. I was watching them this morning. They said, even if we lose money, we learn how to overcome all this stuff. But they're not teaching you how to make money and giving you a stock to make money with. That's what I am doing. I am the stock master. Let me get in the screen. I am the stock master. I will make money for you because I will do the legwork. I got all these stocks written down right here. That's 30 stocks. 30 stocks I got written down. I'm going to research it. I'm going to do the legwork. I'm going to check the volume. I'm going to check the news. I'm going to check everything for you. I am going to research all these stocks and find one for you so you can make money today or tomorrow. That's what I do. I am the stock master. Nobody else does that. Don't be blinded about all these fancy backgrounds and editing and all this fancy music and all these fancy smooth words that they saying. Don't let them sell you because all they want you to do is invest in their company and they got you. All you have to do for me is subscribe, like, and share my video. That's all you have to do. Subscribe, like, and share my video and hit that bell button so my information can get to you that day. And I tell the truth. That's what I do. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm not going to try to sell you anything. You got to remember that. I'm 42 out of 43 towards getting stocks right. 42 out of 43. I am human. I might get 1 or 2 wrong. Like right now, the Dow Jones is down 700 and something points. The NASDAQ is down 500 points. That's right. Are these other stock companies informing you this? No, they're not. I'm telling you this. It's bringing all the stocks with it. Except my stocks are so strong. Preach it. And you can research this. Victoria's Secrets is up today. January 20th. It's up today. That's right. Micron Technology is up today. And I'm the person who said buy those stocks. Now, on this list right here, I'm going to find another stock for you. And I guarantee you it's going to go up tomorrow or the day after. I'm going to let you know about it. But you have to subscribe, like, and share my videos so my videos can get you, and hit that bell button and share this video with everyone, please. Yeah, that video, it took a lot out of me because I'm 62 years old and I was so energized. But I'm glad I'm glad I put up that sheet of paper on that video to show you how many stocks I had listed for you yesterday. And I found those two that God has blessed me finding those two for you so you can make money. And whoever invested in those stocks did make money. Now, one thing I want you to understand, there's an entry point and an exit point when it comes to stocks, overpriced and underpriced. Now, if a stock, say, is $20 a share, and then I say invest in that stock, I need you to write this stuff down. It's very important. And the stock goes to 25, you made some money. But when I said it was 20, my opinion is undervalued. But when it go to 25, that could change everything. It could go to overvalued. If I was you, like I said, don't get greedy. One of the rules, you made, say you paid 1,000 shares. You made $5,000, sell it. I don't care if it keep going up or not. And wait for another hot stock to come out. That's how you make money when it comes to short-term investing. You can't get greedy. Buy low, sell high. It applies to all my 3 rules. You cannot break those rules or you will start to lose money. I don't care if you got $1 million in Charles Schwab. So you got $1 million sitting there in Charles Schwab ready to invest. If there's not an undervalued good stock that's going to go up for you when it comes to short-term investing, don't invest in a stock. Wait for me or wait for someone to tell you what's an undervalued stock so you can make money. I need you to understand that. Like on that video, I made some very interesting points about other companies with the soft music and all the tools they have. They do have a lot of tools where it's convenient for you. Convenience. That's all these companies do. They try to push that convenience button on you, which is good because you don't have time to research a stock the way it's supposed to be researched. You might get lucky and get a stock that makes money, but luck is part of this, investing. But you have to be careful. These companies are trying to sell you. That's all they're trying to do is sell you something. So you have to be careful of, it's nothing wrong with going to their company and making that your brokerage company. Nothing wrong with that. But when it comes to investing in a stock, that's where you have to be careful at. Heed my words. And I want to show you one more thing before I talk your ear off here, because all this stuff is very valuable information you need to know. And here we go. Okay, these are some questions I got yesterday. The first one is from Federico Scott 443. He said, great job. Thank you, Federico. I appreciate it. I'm doing the best I can to make money for people. That's my ultimate objective. Thank you, Federico 443. The next question is from Larry Jones G. Thank you, B, for what you do. Thanks, B, for what you do, my brother. Thank you. I try to do the best I can for you, Jones Larry G. I try to do the best I can, and I'm going to have another hot stock for you in a couple of days. And all these comments I'm getting, I'm going to answer, but I want to answer while I'm on my video right here. And the last question is, what do I do with a stock market if the stock market is closed? From 99Mac2. That's where the question is from. You can see it at the bottom of your screen. Okay, let me answer that on screen. Okay, if the stock market's closed and I'm talking about short-term investing, and you are a beginner when it comes to the stock market, it's called extended hours or after-hours trading, or early morning trading before the stock market is open from 8 to 3. Now, it's very tricky because you got to put in your own price and all that stuff. It's a little bit trickier than selling it at the market on, see, when the stock market's open, they would buy and sell at the market for you if you push the right buttons. But extended hours, you have to do that yourself. So you got to be very careful. I recommend do not mess with extended hours. Just buy and sell stock when the market opens and closes. When the market is open from 8 to 3. I'm in Chicago right here. Well, 8:30 to 3, I'm sorry. I'm in Chicago, because you can really mess up and you can lose a lot of money. Now, once you are experienced and then get used to doing extended hours, that's when you want to mess with something like that. So my advice is, since you are a beginning trader, don't mess with extended hours because you can lose money very quickly. And once you become established and you know the stock market game, a little more experienced, then you can start messing with extended hours. That's my recommendation. Well, I'm gonna end that right there. Any questions, please give me your opinion and send comments to me. I will be happy to answer any question when it comes to the stock market. If I can't answer it, I will find the answer for you. And thank you, God, for giving me the energy to make this video. And thank you guys for watching and all the support you guys are giving me. I'm going to try to do the best I can to give you another stock to make money for you. And please watch my videos all the way through. And don't forget to hit that bell button and share these videos with everyone, because everybody needs to know. We're not going to be selfish here. Thank you. God bless you. I love you.